Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a lovely creamy mushroom pasta using the penne pasta shells, which is very tasty. Let's get started and check out the recipe. So first we're going to cook the pasta shells. To the boiling water add 1 teaspoon of salt, add a bowl of penne pasta. So I've taken penne pasta, but you can use any pasta shells of your choice for this recipe. The pasta shells will take about 15 minutes to cook. So after 15 minutes, let's check to see if they're cooked. It's perfect. Remove them from the hot water, strain it and keep it aside. So now we're going to start making the creamy mushroom pasta. For this, take a nice white pan. So I'm adding 2 sticks of butter, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Next add 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute the onions for about a minute. Next I'm going to add about 400 grams of fresh mushrooms. Make sure you wash them nice and clean and slice them like this, not too thin. So the slices should be a little thick. After about 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt, add 1 teaspoon of pepper, add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Just mix everything well, keeping the flame on a high. Cook the mushrooms. So you can see the mushrooms have released a lot of moisture, so they will be cooking in its own juices. After 5 minutes of cooking the mushrooms, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour. So we're going to make a nice rich and creamy sauce here. I'm adding 2 cups of boiled milk. This is boiled and cooled milk. So to make the sauce all the more creamy, I'm just adding 2 slices of cheese here. Usually for creamy pastas, we normally use Parmesan cheese, but if it's not available for you, you can use these cheese slices. They taste equally good. Once the mushroom sauce is ready, you can add the cooked pasta shells to the sauce and mix everything together. You can actually see the pasta is coated beautifully with that nice, rich, creamy mushroom sauce. This is a really nice way to enjoy your mushrooms. I'm sure your family will absolutely love this particular pasta. So just before serving, you can grate some cheese and you can serve it nice and hot. Here is this absolutely delicious and creamy mushroom pasta. I've served it with some nice bread by the side. You can serve it as is. For more interesting and delicious recipes, subscribe to Home Cooking Show and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can see how delicious and creamy this mushroom pasta is. Now I've used penne pasta shells, but you can also use spaghetti or macaroni for this particular dish. Just follow all the steps and it's going to be absolutely delightful. Do try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.